Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another interesting video, and today I will be sharing with you how to do an amazing hair butter for super hair growth and also to boost your hair density. So if you're interested in this video, I would advise you watch till the end and let's get right into it. So the very first ingredient I'll be using for this DIY is fresh aloe vera leaves. As we all know, aloe vera moisturizes dehydrated hair and also prevents itchy and dry scalp. And it's rich in vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, which boost your hair growth and also promote stronger strands. So what you need to do first is to cut off the ends of the aloe vera and make sure it's freshly washed, and now you just cut them into smaller pieces for you to ease the blending process, just the way I'm doing in the video. So once you're done with that, the next ingredient is avocado. Avocado is also rich in vitamins, which moisturizes the hair strands and also prevents itchy scalp. So once your avocado is washed, you then use a spoon to scoop that out and add it to the aloe vera that you chopped. So the next ingredient I'll be using for this DIY is fresh rosemary leaves. As we all know, rosemary helps to clean the hair follicles, and if you're suffering from hair loss, then rosemary is the great deal for you. So just wash your rosemary and add it to the mix ingredients, the other ingredients that you use. And right now I will just put all the ingredients together in a blender and blend. You just add in just a little drop of water, like just a little bit, and you blend. So as you can see, it's all blended up and it looks so smooth and creamy, and that's just the consistency we are looking for. And over to the next ingredient, but do not worry, I will list every ingredient up in the description box. So right now I'm just adding in my neem powder. Neem helps to boost hair growth and also to keep your strands stronger. And now I'm adding just a tablespoon of my Chebe powder. As we all know, Chebe powder is the great deal for African hair, and I always love to add that into my DIYs. So right now we're just heading to the oils I'll be using in this video. And now I'm adding my extra virgin olive oil. Do not worry, you can just add in as much as you can depending on how much oil you want to make. So right now I'm adding my sweet almond oil. Yes. And after you add your almond oil, now I'm going in with my Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil, I love it so much because it gives your hair that strength and boosts your hair growth. And now the normal castor oil. So you just have to just add those oils, like just do your measurements the way you can, and it will be good to go. Give that some good stir and mix that up pretty well before it goes to the stove. And right now it's set on the stove. You just have to keep your stove on low heat and let this cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. So right now it's been cooking for over 15 minutes. Just let it cook for another 15 minutes and keep stirring. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes, and once you notice the bubbles are less visible and the paste is a little bit dried up, then you know it's ready. Turn off your stove at this point and let it cool for about an hour, then you strain out. After letting it cool for a while, then you just have to strain the oil. You can use a stocking cap, a cheesecloth, or whatever means you have. Here I'm using a kitchen hairnet that I doubled about 3 or 4. Yes, so I don't have to get the paste into the oil. You just have to strain out just the oil. As you can see, my oil is ready. You just have to transfer that into a glass jar for further use, because I'm not going to use all of this. It's way too much for the quantity of butter that I need to make. So once you transfer into your tight airtight container, then you just preserve. Now over to making our hair growth butter. I'm using shea butter for this mixture. You can use cocoa butter or mango butter or any butter that you choose to make. So after you scoop that out, you need to make sure you know the exact quantity that you need. Then you use a double boiling method to melt your butter. So after my butter is melted up, as you can see, I'm just transferring it to a bigger bowl so it will ease the blending process. And right now, once I'm done adding it, now I'm adding my simple hair growth oil that we just made a while ago. After adding your hair growth oil, you can just give this mixture a good mix and you store in the refrigerator for about an hour for it to solidify. This oil can also be used as a pre-poo treatment for hair growth. So right now, my mixture has been solidified. I'm using my hand blender to whisk that up pretty well. So let's do this. So you need to whisk this pretty well. Just whisk everything up so it will blend properly to form a smooth and creamy like paste that we want, because this is hair butter, so it doesn't need to be too thick or too runny. So you need to make sure your ingredients are intact. So for the last but not the least, I'm adding my vitamin E capsule. You all know I love vitamin E capsule. It really gives your strands, your scalp that moisture and also retain moisture for longer days. So I'm adding 4 vitamin E capsules to it. It's optional. If you don't have, then it's okay. After adding all my vitamin E capsules, right now I'm adding some few drops of rosemary essential oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice. So continue whisking that up to form a creamy like consistency. As you can see, I have whisked my ingredients up and this is how it looks like. It's so creamy, it looks yummy for my hair. Like I can't wait to use this on my hair. So you can just transfer that to a plastic bag. I'm just using this, which will be easy for me to transfer into my bottle. You can use any means that you can, it will still be okay. So here is my bottle that I'll be using. Oh my god, I'm super excited because this has always been my go hair butter for my hair growth. I've always been consistent with it and I decided to share with you all. So after cutting the tips of that plastic bag, I just have to put that into my bottle. Like, oof, look at that creamy, like, it's like you need to eat some, like you need to just eat some right now. Like, oh my god, my hair can't wait to use this. Like, oh my god. This hair growth butter can be used twice a week to seal in moisture to your hair. So after you go in with your leave-in spray, you can just add in this butter to seal in moisture and it will take you for longer days. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Please hit that red subscribe button and turn on the little bell icon so you get notified when next I upload another video. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below, how you feel about this video, and thanks for watching. See you all again.